In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to Google Docs in 2025. This connection is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, allowing you to seamlessly integrate the creative designs you make in Canva with the documents you craft in Google Docs. It's especially useful for creating visually appealing presentations or reports, so let's jump right in. First, let's head over to Canva. You'll want to start by logging into your Canva account on your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a variety of options available on the home screen. Your next step is to click on the Create button, typically located at the top right of the interface. This will open up a list of design formats you can choose from, ranging from social media posts to more personalized templates. For this tutorial, go ahead and select any design or template that suits your needs. Once you're in the editor with your chosen design, navigate to the upper right corner and locate the Share button. Click on this to bring up the sharing options. In the pop-up window, you're going to select See All. This expands your sharing options and allows you to choose from various destinations for your design. From the list available, click on Google Drive. This is a crucial step because it begins the process of syncing your Canva design with your Google Drive. Once you've clicked Google Drive, you'll need to choose the desired folder where you want to save your file. It's wise to keep your folders organized and select a location that's relevant to your project or needs. Once your folder is selected, proceed by clicking on the Save button. This action saves your Canva design directly to your Google Drive. With your design safely stored, your next move is to open Google Docs. Head over to the Google Docs homepage and sign in if prompted. Once inside, select the document you want to insert your Canva design into, or you can create a new document if you prefer. Inside the document editor, go to the menu at the top and click on Insert. From the drop-down options, hover over Image and you'll see an additional option labeled Drive. Click on Drive, which opens up a window showing your Google Drive files. In this window, locate and click on the design file you just saved from Canva. Once selected, simply click Insert. Your design will now appear in your Google Doc, beautifully integrating your Canva creations with your document. And there you have it, a full and efficient way to connect Canva to Google Docs. This seamless integration can enhance the visual appeal of your documents and make your workflow all the more efficient. Practice these steps a few times and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy creating.